Welcome to Hook, Line, Sinker. Off the beaten path, down a dirt road. This is Nevada Fish Finders Cattle Drive. What up, guys? Gals, puppers, whatever you are. We're headed out to Boyd Kennedy. It's a little reservoir out here. I've never been to it. Elizabeth's never been to it. And on that on the Fish Nevada app or whatever website they have, say there's largemouth bass and bluegill in there. So we'll see. Hey Fish Finders, we're here at Boyd Kennedy, and there's some largemouth bass in here, some bluegill. We're gonna see if we can catch them. It's a little ways out here of Spring Creek, a little bumpy road. I wouldn't recommend taking your Subaru to it, but if you take the old Tacoma, you'd be good. Let's go see if we can catch them. Okay, Fish Finders, there's hella bass. There's a whole school of them right there. There's cows. They just took my Cinco on the first bait. Watch this stuff. Let's see if I can get them. There we go, got it. No, it got off. Okay, there's a bunch of bass there. Got them, Fish Finders. There's a little bass. Bring them all the way up here. Oh, Fish Finders, there are largemouth in here. Oh, come here, buddy. Thanks. Sure. Dirt bass. Boyd Reservoir. Fish Finders, yeah. See if we can make it in there. Alright, Fish Finders, we got a little closer. I can see the little bass. Go for something a little bigger though. Oh, there's one. I got it. Oh, I missed it. Oh, there it is. Got it. Oh, I missed it again. Oh, I got one on. Oh, Fish Finders. These little guys are fun. Let's see if I can get a little farther. Look at him. Get out of there. Sicko. Oh, he got off. There you go, Elizabeth's got one. Get that one out for her. this little fatty? Yeah. You want a picture? Alright guys, we're just using a wacky rigged baby bass Cinco. Hopefully you can see that. And these fish are killing it. Watch this. They're not the biggest. They're still fun. Elizabeth's trying to make her way down. Okay, get it on out there. Get your bird's nest out. Oh yeah, I'm gonna catch one by the time I get done bird nesting. Little fish finders, this is not fishing. I don't know what is. Okay, get your line all right. Elizabeth made it. Jesus, fish finders, what happened here? Trying to pay attention to other things, not my line. Apparently. No, we get a knot. There we go, buddies. There's probably a fish on there, isn't there? Elizabeth got another one. Like getting it in that moss. Just pull it in because otherwise you'll lose your Cinco like I did. Look at that moss monster. Huh? Need some help. Hold it up for the fish finders. Your face is all red.
Very hot out here.
Very hot. Hold it that way. There you go. Oh, little. That one, suck it. Suck it down, didn't eat it, guys. There we go, got him this time, fish finders. Little punk. There we go, a little better one. Fish finders. Yeah. Thanks, honey. Fish finders. There's another little one. Well, it's not too bad. It's bigger than the other ones. Picture. Pictures for all the fish finders. Stop right there and take it. There you go. Just lift it up over that weed. Oh, well, that's a nicer one. There you go. Good deal.
Yeah.
Good job, fish finder. Fish finders, yeah. Give her a kiss. Cow pooper water.